All right, so a little video update for everybody. So we've got the bar on, trying to get all this wired up. And, well, wiring I am not. So we've got these little switch pods on. We've got the brackets on for the light bar that goes across. So we've got to get all of this stuff on there. Sun ain't got it too bleached out. But just trying to go through and get everything all wired up. So we still have to put a set of cubes in the bumper here. And I gotta cut the grass. So we got a new coat of black on the swing out so that it shows better. So we weld these little tabs on it. That'll get those 6-inch bars. I think it'll look like a UFO when everything's on. So gotta get that on there. Get that all mounted. Stickers all back on it. So just a quick little update. May not get much of a video out this week. We're using these KC mounts for these hella lights. The light bar that we're gonna have 6 lights on, that's done. So, dropping parts, nice. So we got these little brackets all bent up. I think that's gonna be a pretty clean install. These are going to go on the swing out, and I'll send some stuff out on that. But man, there's crap everywhere. So a lot of wiring to do. And well, I'm not much of a wiring person. Garage is a mess. Just a lot to do. Trying to get everything done this weekend because next week we got work and we're taking a couple days off. So yeah, lot to do. So anyway, if you're at the Moore Overland Expo, which will be the 19th, I'm actually I got to be there the Thursday, so we can get in the booth. But Friday, Saturday, they're letting pets in there now. Fortunately, the hotel they've booked for me, I can't get Duke in there, and it's not gonna be no fun for him for a couple days out there. So he's gonna get to stay home on this trip. But there'll be plenty more where you can meet Duke. Stop and say hi. And set you up with a Jeeping Mo Duke sticker and a Jeep Talk Show sticker. So see you there. And quick little video for everyone. Thanks for watching.